Guys, welcome back to Forever Young, and today we have another blind box unboxing.
Blind box madness.
And today we got the Disney Mystery Mini. And we got these at Bed Beyond for like $3.49.
It's all the bad guys, huh?
Yes.
And their pets. Oh, that's so cool.
And then we also got the Harry Potter.
Nice. And that's good and bad, right?
Yes. And then we got the
Those
Cute but Deadly Series 2. Lizard.
I'm not familiar with a lot of those characters, but they look so cool.
We did get one, and he's right here. They're very nice. Detail and paint job is great.
All the paint has like a matte finish. And see how the coins are falling out the bottom. Pretty cool.
Alright, so let's get to this. We'll start opening the Disney ones. So we'll open this one. Let's see what we get. Alright, let's see. And we got Ursula.
Nice.
I like her. She has nice, great paint job.
I like how they give it really good colors and then they kind of matte it down a little. Okay. Oh.
Alright.
I already know who it is. It's got to be the queen. Oh, I believe it is queen. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Bam. Nice.
That was nice. Alright, so our last box for the Disney one. Hopefully we get something new, something different. No repeats. Yeah! Oh,
Nice.
Cruella de Vil.
Now that's a villain. Cruella was a proper villain. She's gonna kill puppies to make a coat. Damn, that's bad.
So the rare ones, oh look, 1 out of 6 is Maleficent.
Nice.
And 1 out of 36 is, I don't know who's that bad guy in the bird.
Mulan.
Oh, 1 out of 72 is Stitch's doll.
No, it's from him.
Oh, him. It looks like
It was
Stitch's
that
doll.
Cajun one.
So we got 1 out of 24, 1 out of 12, and 1 out of 12. All right, so let's get to the Harry Potter ones. And these are the ones you could get. So the hard one we'll get is the cat with the lady.
I hope we get the snake and the bad guy.
So I'll open this one.
Dumbledore and Famous would be cool. That really would be cool.
Let's see. And this one will be the girl.
Nice. I got the giant guy.
This is, I forgot what's the girl's name.
Yeah, I don't know her name.
Anyway.
Look, I got the groundskeeper. I'm psychic.
He's cool.
Yeah, he is. He's much taller too.
Yeah, you can tell the difference.
Oh yeah.
That's cool.
Alright, baby.
Alright.
Open this up, bad guy.
Let's do
pet.
the Cute but Deadly Series 2.
Ooh, okay.
So we're hoping some of the Overwatch
I want this
characters.
guy. I like him, him, him.
So let's open this one. All right, no doubles. Let's see. Oh, we got him again. Oh.
Ah, Brutal double.
Double.
Okay. Wow, that's a spanky double, huh? Alright, here we go.
He comes with a stand.
I have no idea who it is.
Triples.
Oh, cool.
Oh. Now that's a cool one.
Oh, yeah. Nice. I have to take him out here. Got him wrapped up pretty good. There we go. Oh yeah, he's nice. Double blades.
Big horns.
Yeah.
Nice wings.
I have the 6-inch figure. This guy. It doesn't have horns though.
He is very detailed.
Yeah, he is.
And he comes with a stand.
Nice. Well, now he's got 2 trolls to carry his gold. There you go.
There you go. There
She
you
did
see
look somewhat out of a nihilist.
this detail. These are pretty good. I like these. They're very nice painted jobs and detailed.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, you guys. Well,
Alright,
this is
guys.
it for our unboxing. Until next time. If you
For
guys
some
want to
more
see more of these videos, let us know.
Blind box madness.
All right, you guys. Catch you guys later.